From Rio shores to the Amazon sky, the green and gold are flying high. The drums are beating through the night. Brazil is shining, burning bright. Every street